Pretty lady all fixed up. Ooh, hiccups. Poor baby, you always get the hiccups. You better shake them out of you. Should we burp them up?